Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook video lag so you can watch smoothly without interruptions. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a faster network if the speed is low. On your phone, you can check it from the settings and then click on Wi-Fi. From here, check if you are connected to any kind of network. Next, you can clear your app cache by going into your app or long pressing on your app and then hit on delete app. This will delete all of the cache that the app comes with. Hit on delete and then reinstall it once again. Tap on this cloud icon with a down arrow and then wait for it to download. Also, if you already have the app, you can just update the Facebook app or try a different browser to see if the issue persists. Once done, play a video again and it should be smooth. And that's how you fix Facebook video lag.